Ready to pass your UK driving theory test on your first attempt? Guaranteed? Today, we're exploring the Driving Theory Test 4 in one kit, the award-winning, comprehensive app trusted by millions of learner drivers. This app consolidates all the essential tools for passing the DVSA theory test for cars, motorcycles, LGVs, and PCVs. Users consistently praise its access to all official DVSA revision questions, answers, and explanations, ensuring you study the most current material. It uniquely includes the Hazard Perception Test, HPT, with all 34 DVSA CGI clips, featuring cheat detection just like the real exam. The 4-in-1 refers to its integrated theory test, hazard perception, highway code, and road sign sections. Many learners value its unlimited mock tests, progress tracking, and English voiceover option, which is ideal for those with reading difficulties. It even offers a pass guarantee. T&Cs apply. However, some users have reported occasional minor glitches or UI quirks, though updates are regular. While incredibly comprehensive, it's a paid app. The developer states that data such as user content, browse history, identifiers, usage data, and diagnostics may be collected, and while it's generally not linked to your identity for tracking across other companies, specific details vary between app stores, so it's always wise to review. What's your thought?